What?
Tic Tacs.
Tic Tacs. Nice.
I'm gonna show Mommy.
Did you get any presents? Did you look?
Huh?
Did you look for presents?
No.
No.
I think this one's mine.
Well, no, not the. These are our presents.
No. See?
See if there's any turkeys. Did I kill a bunch of turkeys? Oh my gosh.
What?
Oh.
Oh my God.
Can I open these? Please? Can
I really did come, Olivia. Oh, I really did bring a big stuffed animal.
Look at the size of that bear.
Can I open them? Please?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh my gosh. How did you know?
Mr. Bubble.
What's that? Bubble bath?
It says Mr. Bubble.
Yeah.
Hello, Mr. Bear. Hello.
I got a movie, and it is Calendars Around the World.
Calendars?
COUNTRIES.
Countries.
Countries around the world.
Oh, cool. Probably because it goes to all those different countries.
Maybe.
Someone wants to show you what they are.
I have a cupcake holder.
Aww.
No cupcake?
No. What's this?
Is there a cupcake in it?
No.
No, it's just a cupcake holder. Now another movie. It looks like countries around the world.
Did you just have that? Country. What's the other one say?
Countries around the world.
Countries around the world. Oh, at the bottom it tells you what country.
Oh.
That one says Indonesia. And that one says Madagascar.
Madagascar.
When are you going to name them?
I don't know. Huggy?
Huggy? Huggy the bear.
What's his name, honey?
Huggy.
Oh, that was honey there.
Honey?
Yeah.
What's
This
that?
is... I have no idea.
That is Goldie Blocks in the spinning machine.
I got Goldie Blocks and spinning something
Machine.
machine.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
What's this? And it's a snowman.
Snowman Pez, huh?
Yeah, what's this? More Pez. Hello Kitty and Hello Kitty. What's this? A water bottle? And this is...
It's just like your other one. It's weird. It's just like your other one.
Hello Kitty.
Kitty. It's just like it. Boy, you picked some beautiful wrapping paper.
Yeah.
Those are like all your favorite colors.
And another movie. I don't know what this is. It's like this movie.
Science clips for children.
Mega juggling set. Mega juggling set.
Yeah, you always like to juggle.
No, I don't.
Well,
I
you
don't
like-
even know how to juggle.
Oh, you gotta learn.
I know.
Is it broken?
I don't know.
What was that?
What was that?
I have no idea. A guitar, music, 6.
Music what?
I don't know. Can you open it?
Sure.
Wait, is there any more presents for me to open?
I think that's it from Santa. We've got all our other presents.
Aww.
Aww. That's a big bear.
Tug away.
Aww.